Is Shadow Garden on a field trip? What is happening? Oh, she was the one that was training Rose. Oh, they're reinforcements. That's not what happened. Yeah, it was a little bit of a betrayal, but... Oh, she kind of like blames herself. Yeah, it's all Shadow now. Information gets around so fast in Shadow Garden, like their communication skills are top notch. That's true. She won't die though, so we'll see what happens. That grease looks super dirty. That probably means it tastes good though, so we'll see. Well, or not. Sid didn't even finish it. I oppose your marriage. Oh, he's thinking of lines to say to her. That's funny. You know, every now and then Sid will do something. It's like, yeah, I would do that if I had superpowers. Thinking of lines to... Epsilon out loud? I assumed it was Delta because, you know, Delta just finished saying that she called Beta out loud instead of her alter ego. I expect more out of you, Epsilon. Oh, that's his cover, her #1 student.
スライム率 99%、重心の移動に合わせて常に微細な魔力操作を繰り返している。カオスリアンスを想定した無駄に無駄な。
Chaos theory? That's funny. Yeah. Oh. So is Shadow Garden the maids and the other girls over there?
なされる予定でしたか。はい、公爵様。本日は新曲を披露させていただく予定です。それは楽しみです。
Shouldn't Perv technically remember Sid? Because they were both at the Bushin Festival?
ですが申し訳ありません。ローズは気分が優れぬようで昼食会に出られそうにないと。
Yeah, I'm sure she's not feeling well. I think you have her like locked up somewhere.
そちらの少年。
Wow, Sid.
この方は偉大にして崇高なる私の唯一のまな弟子なのです。
Wow, that's such a good introduction. Good job, Epsilon.
その少年に一曲弾いてもらえば大丈夫です。お弟子殿がどれほどの腕前か、皆気になって仕方ないようですし。
Yeah, this should be good.
モブにすら気を抜かぬテンプレ悪役スタイルとは。
Villain style. Cookie cut villain style. I mean, hey, he is the villain. Sid knows what he's talking about every now and then. I wonder if he even knows what's going on. I'm assuming he doesn't. But like, I don't think he knows anything about what Perv is doing or anything like that. But he's like, yeah, no, this guy's the villain. You're playing your Eminence and Shadow theme? Wait, does she know who that is? Or she just likes his playing? I think she just like, yeah, no, just like his playing. Excellent. You haven't run out of, this guy, they're gonna notice when you finish playing that all they're not gonna go home and be like, oh wait, where'd my jewelry go? They're gonna notice before they leave there. Or not. Yeah. Look at all, oh. That symbolism was crazy. Did you like all the tentacles and stuff going out from him? She is evidence. We gotta delete that. Delete all the pictures from today. What are we looking at? What did he see? Oh, now they went purple. Oh, he has the key. That works. He should have done that with the rest of them instead of the slime. You mean steal some more stuff?
でしたら私が
Who are you?
ご案内を。私、メイドのマーガレットと申します。ローズ様のお世話も担当させてもらっていますから、お城のことには詳しいですよ。
先輩の。
Oh, so you can take him to Rose. Dude, Epsilon's about to knock her out. Yeah, Epsilon's about to.
いい加減にし
スライム率 0% か。
Oh no. Did he? Okay, I'm about to say, did he say that out loud?
アーティファクトが気温を一定に保っているんです。
That's cool. That'd be very useful.
将来音楽家ルートか。年俸制
But I feel like Sid only plays like one. We've only heard him play one song.
それから私の
But if he taught Epsilon how to play, then obviously he has more than one song that he plays.
私はパトロン伯爵とも成金公爵とも懇意にさせていただいておりますし、私にお任せいただければすべてうまく。
Well, she didn't. I feel like if she had a. He probably just has a crush on her, that guard that was watching them.
です心配しないで全部
Oh,
私に委ねて
with
くだ
this
さい
again.
ね
Maybe it has something to do with that kingdom. Like first Rose and now Margaret. They have superior grip strength or something like that.
私はあの人のことは嫌いです。
Oh
あの
wow.
方がミドガル王国に留学する以前から
Oh, and you feel like she betrayed the kingdom when she killed the king, I'm sure.
あの人のせいでこの国はもうめちゃくちゃです。
No, that's not fair.
それでお弟子様はローズ様の居場所が知りたいのですか？
うん、まあ。
秘密です。教えられるわけないじゃないですか。
そうなんだ。
All you gotta do is search the tallest towers that are there. That's where you'll find the princess.
宗教の勧誘だわ。
ローズ様
Oh,
は
she's, that's the same thing he said about Rose. That's funny. Oh yeah, locked up in the West Tower. I was right. The trick is if you capture a princess, you gotta lock her down somewhere, maybe like a basement or something, and they'll never find her. They're gonna be looking up high. Dude, your suit doesn't even fit you.
すいません。
I'm sorry. It's your fault he's looking down at you. Just stand back up.
この花壇で愛を確かめ合ってんだ。俺が見つめるとマーガレットちゃんはすぐに振り向いてくれる。
And she runs away.
で小走りに去っていっちまうんだ。可愛いだろ。
Dude, this guy needs to be fired.
十分なんだ。わかる
That's
か。
harassment.
目と目で見つめ合うだけで。
He's basically stalking her.
とはできた。けれどこの国は
Okay, yeah, we need to have a talk about her hair. Because I'm assuming that's slime. He just climbed it as Sid. That's funny.
魔力を使わないと一苦労。あ、先輩。
What's he gonna tell her?
ことで話がしたいんです。
Is he?
話すことなんて
What's he eating?
結婚なんて嘘ですよね。
Oh, he grabbed her hand back. What?
思い出してください。あの日のことを。あの先輩は
I can't take him seriously.
シド君お願い
Dude, Sid. I can't take him seriously with him stopping to take a bite.
あった夢がありますから。先輩の気持ちは誰よりもわかるつもりです。
シド君
I mean, yeah, he's not
あ
wrong.
なたの夢は
His dream is not to be with you.
たとえ誰が何を言おうともシド君の夢は何よりも尊いものです。
ローズ先輩。僕らは自分の生き方を貫こうとした。
He's caressing her face with food in his hand.
先輩は婚約者を刺して父親を殺した。理由は聞きません。きっとそこには自分の生き方を貫こうとした先輩の信念があると信じているから。
Yeah, why would you give up now?
一言は忘れて幸せになってください。
ダメだ。僕には先輩が。
私の望みです。
Oh wow, the mood changed instantaneously.
泣いていたようだな。
He just. Oh, I thought he slapped her.
触らないでいただけますか。
その態度、
He might slap her now. Rose, I feel like you could take him now.
口の利き方には気をつけろ。レイナ王妃の命はお前の態度次第だということを忘れるな。
Yeah, I was gonna say that last episode. She didn't look like she was scared. What's going on with her mom? Sid's right
なる
outside.
ほどね。これはプラン B に移るしかないかな。
And what would that be?
ド M 君には悪いことしたな。
I'm sure taking it from Perv was probably the right thing to do.
それに今回の失敗はあなたのせいじゃないわ。ローズ王女に母親のことを教えてなかった私たちの責任よ。
Wait, not telling her what? What's going on with Rose's mom? Is she working with Perv? Because they keep alluding to something, but they never say it.
黒きバラはそれほど危険なの
The
ですか。
Black
か
Rose.
つて滅亡の危機にあったオリアナ王国が王都に迫る10万のベガルタ軍を一夜にして葬った。
Oh wow.
おとぎ話などではないのよ。
Oh, and that's how
その
that
力が
got
今
put
度
there?
まだ潜入初日なのにもうあれが。
ああ、あれについてはもう終わったも同然だ。
Oh yeah. I wonder what he's actually talking about. Because I know he's not talking about. There's no way he's talking about Rose.
ド M ケツハット。
万事抜かりなくことを進めております。モードレッド卿、ご心配なく。継承の指輪は常に
I want him to open it in front of Mordred to show that there's nothing there.
シャドウガーデン、何するものぞ。
Wipe you out without hesitation.
ド M
Oh, okay. Rhodes' mom is with Perv. That makes sense that he was somebody on the inside. But I wonder what all she was helping him do. Oh, that's it? Oh, man.
いつも外回りばかりさせて悪いわね。
私はこっちの方が気楽でいいよ。ここにいたらあのワンちゃ
I
ん
might
の
get
一挙手
annoyed.
一投足に
I
イラ
feel
イ
like
ラ
that's
しちゃ
a
うか
shot
も
at
しれない
Delta.
から
Yeah.
ね。
I knew she was talking about Delta.
ね。
She trying to learn how to play the piano. Yeah.
くしゃするのです。ベルタ。
Look at her little. That's a good
何
detail.
をやってるの？
She was all happy when Alpha was there, but when she saw Zeta, she was like, nah.
イプシロンは特別だから。でもデルタも弾きたいのです。
Yeah, Delta, you can learn how to play too. It's
アル
okay.
ファ様でもゼータでもいいからコツを教えてほしいのです。
私はそこまでは。
Hmm.
アルファ様ってピアノ弾けませんでした？
え？
以前主がおっしゃってたのを聞いたことがあります。アルファのピアノはイプシロンとも違って独創的で興味深いと。
Oh, wow.
本当なのです。アルファ様、デルタにピアノを教えてほしいのです。
Oh, so Alpha can
それ
play?
は
Or is something wildly unpredictable is about to happen?
私のピアノはちょっと他の人とは違うみたいなの。
下手ってことではないですよね。
下手ってわけじゃないけれど。
Oh, whoa.
こうなっちゃうの。
What is that? How are you doing that?
ピアノからいろんな音が出てくるのです。自分でも何が起きているのかわからないのだけれど。
いや、これは
That's weird.
独創的ですね。
It's like one of those electric pianos where you can make different sounds, but that happens to all the pianos she plays.
それが普通なんだよ。
Oh, wow. Alright, so that's it for this episode of The Eminence and Shadow. It looks like, well, yeah, Rose's mom is with Perv, like literally with Perv. So that kind of makes sense because in the last episode, she wasn't really scared until Rose showed up. And Shadow Garden, they kept alluding to something about Rose's mom. They were like, oh, yeah, we should have told her. And what else did Epsilon say? Yeah, that her and her mom shouldn't have been in the same place at the same mission, even though nobody knew her mom was going to be there. So, yeah. And Sid is now Epsilon's #1 student, her favorite pupil. That was a great introduction. But yeah, he always plays the same thing. I didn't think he was gonna play his Eminence and Shadow music. I wonder if he's gonna play it again as Shadow, and Perv is gonna put the two together, like some grand entrance he's gonna make. I don't know, but we'll see. Sid now has the key. He stole it from Perv, and it looks like everything is revolving around this key. The key was somehow, like, they used it in a war way back when the existence of the kingdom was being threatened, and they used the key, and it kind of created that little port that they have there. So yeah, that's gonna be really interesting. I think it was called like the Black Rose or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, so now Sid has the key and he's talking to Rose, trying to get her. He's like, you killed your dad, you know, you stabbed Perv. What was all that for if you're just gonna marry him? But she's only marrying him because he has her mom. Like, before her mom was in the picture, she really, you know, she was with Shadow Garden. So I'm sure that's the reason. But I wonder how she's gonna feel whenever she finds out that Perv is with her mom. Like, I'm sure that'll be a very interesting discussion for her and her mom. And yeah, other than that, really, it was just a lot of talking. Yeah, not too many like actiony things happened this episode. So yeah, we've only got 2 episodes left. It's almost over. But yeah, a little sad about it. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.